Hello everyone, my name is Hema, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm starting with a full face foundation, and then I'm going in with my Balm Cosmetics Bahama Mama bronzer. I decided I wanted to keep today's video kind of short, simple, and to the point. So I'm bronzing first with my powder, and then I'm setting my contour with the Huda Beauty Banana Bread powder. And then I'm going in with eyeshadow. So I'm just going to grab my James Charles palette by Morphe, and I'm using only 2 shades for today's look. And then I'm using the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Molten Midnight. So the first shade I'm using, I'm just applying that all over to my lid and blending that out. And then I'm building the black eyeshadow from my lash line upward and blending that out. So that way you don't just have a black eye. And then right on top of that, I'm going in with the Stila liquid eyeshadow. And I'm just going to be using a patting motion to apply that. That way all the product stays in one place and doesn't move around. I then decided I wanted to add a little wing, so using the same applicator that was given to me by the eyeshadow, I'm just gonna bring that outward and connect everything together to create my wing. Then going in with the same 2 shades that I made my base with, and I'm just applying that to my lash line and just smoking that out. And I wasn't feeling lashes today, so I just grabbed this mascara. It's a 2-step mascara, so it's the Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara, and one side is for volumizing and the other side is to add fibers to your lash so that way they look more full. And then I'm setting my face with my favorite MAC Cosmetics powder and brushing away excess powder from my face and setting everything into place. Then I'm just grabbing my Merry Luminizer highlight by the Balm Cosmetics, and I'm just applying that with a damp beauty blender. For lips today, I'm grabbing the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in the shade Soft Spoken. Just setting my face with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and I'm pulling out a few baby hairs to complete my look with a high bun. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I do make new videos every Sunday.